Alright guys, TLopes_LB7 here, and today I'm going to be making a video on how to restore the shine on your diesel exhaust tip, or any exhaust tip in general that's been exposed to road salt or just pretty much water in general, because it gets that nice stain on it, if you know what I mean. I'll show you right now. We're going to make this thing look it just came right back out of the factory, you know? Well, for me, to make this a lot easier, I got a jackknife set of Allen wrenches to remove this. So, without further ado, try to get up underneath this. I believe this is the size. Oh, no one. Alright, so once you got your tip off, you're going to want to... Well, there's multiple ways of doing this. You can either use hand tools, or you can use power tools, or you can go old-fashioned and literally scrub this thing clean by hand. Now, do I recommend doing it by hand? No, because it's going to fucking take forever. So, I recommend being lazy and using some type of power tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pedestal grinder with a buffing wheel put on the other side. Yes, it's a crazy wire wheel. I'm going to use my pedestal grinder, and I am going to use a buffing wheel on that side to make this shiny again. Now, if you do not have a pedestal grinder with detachable parts, you can literally take some chrome polish or buy some turtle wax. I think Turtle Wax makes the other kind, and you can really go at this by hand with the rag and try to make it look all shiny and new again. But I highly recommend not being cheap and going and buying. You can do it even with a buffing wheel, like a regular handheld buffing wheel. So yeah, we're gonna start this now. Probably make a time lapse of it, and yeah, we're going. Got yourself a nice shined up mirror finish exhaust tip again. Looks just like it did when it came from the factory, minus this top part, which I really don't care about, because I'm actually trying to prevent this from rusting, so I'll leave that tarnish on it, because it actually has undercoat on it. But now you got a nice new looking exhaust tip. Now we can reinstall it back on the truck. Look at the exhaust tip installed back on, and that's what it looks like now. All shined up, good as new. If you guys want any more videos on how to do some stuff like this, maybe even the best way to polish wheels, I haven't done it yet because it just rained and we went to that 603 truck meet last Friday, and this is what happens in about a week of just not washing these 12 wides. But if you guys want more videos on how to do stuff like this, or how to debadge a truck and put the emblems in the exact same spot again, just leave the suggestions down in the comment section below. It's TLopes_LB7 here, and thanks for watching. Peace.